Bingo. Okay. Thank y'all for y'all that are participating. Come on, let's go. Underline and highlight what I have. Page 21. Come on, let's go. Adrian, I know you don't have a book out, do you? Put it behind you. So, how many spirit shirts did Martina sell for the fundraiser? 8. 8. You better circle that. And how much did each shirt cost?
Yeah.
28. What?
No, 9. 28.
9. She sold each shirt for how much?
Oh no, $9.
So what do we have to do with those two numbers for sure? We already know. If she sold 8 of them and they cost $9 each, what do you need to do with those two numbers? Add. What? Nope, you had it right the first time. Get. You can do get, but this one doesn't work so well with get. So multiplication. She sold 8 and they cost how much each?
$9.
But did she sell something else too?
And she also sold $20 worth of lanyards.
Add that to this. This is the only one this week that's like that. Equals A. This one's the only one like this week. The rest are like multiplying. To find our total, because we're looking for our total. We don't know how much she's made off of those items. So what's our answer? I think it's true. Let me make sure to write it aloud. That one. Yeah, C.
It's C.
The next one's a little bit easier. Why are we multiplying 8 times 9 to begin with? Somebody tell me. To get 8. Okay. But why are we multiplying 8 times 9 and not 8 times 28? Oh, because we're talking about the shirt. So we're talking about the shirt. And how much did each shirt cost? 9. 9. And how many did she sell? 8. So we have to find that. That's why we're multiplying that. Why are we adding 28? Nope. Why are we adding 28? Hey, wake up. Let's go. Because she sold other things besides just the shirt. So you have to add it. I'm gonna erase. Y'all better be circling and highlighting all of this stuff. Like on Friday that I wouldn't let y'all go with your reading test, math is gonna be the same way this week. I'm not taking anything if y'all are underlining and highlighting. What's a green line? What is that? Huh? Y'all better quit writing on there, whoever that is. $17B. Dylan bought 3 cheese sticks. Look at this. I'm like trying to scratch and I forgot I didn't have sleep. Dylan bought 3 cheese sticks every day for 4 days. Each cheese stick costs $2. Cheese sticks sound pretty good right now. Which equation represents C, the total cost of the cheese sticks Dylan bought during the 4 days? So we're looking for our total again. So what are we going to be doing? So I guess it's kind of like it, but yeah. We need to figure out how many cheese sticks he ate in 4 days. So how are we going to do that? What are we going to do first? Multiply what? How many cheese sticks did he eat each day, I guess? 3? And then how many days in a row did he eat cheese sticks? 4. So what are you going to do with those two numbers? Not add. Multiply, because each day he ate 3. You could add if you do 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. You better be writing this down on what. I don't see what I have. We're not using get on these because there's more than one part to forget. I don't see that you've underlined. I don't see if you circled what I've done. Did I let you turn in your reading test on Friday without underlining and circling? No.
When I saw you underlining and circling, and then when I heard you guys, you wouldn't let me finish my test
No.
if I didn't do that.
No, and that's going to be every week because I had several people do that. On reading, I can tell you 11 and 12 was in there. So for y'all not to get it right tells me that you're reading story once and not paying attention and going back and looking for your answers. You shouldn't miss a problem if the answer's there for you, especially for reading. Okay, so then we're looking for the total cost. So what do we have to, what other number do we need to circle, I guess,
2.
So we're gonna do it 2. If each piece of it costs $2, what do you have to do again?
So we have times it.
Yeah, times it. Or multiply it, yeah, so times 2. Gives us our C. The first one was the only one that's going to be, I think, where you added is what I saw all during the week. So what's our answer?
Yay.
I know. Well, I'm not supposed to be sitting at my desk. I get in trouble if I sit at my desk. But then if I'm standing, I get in the way of you, see? Which, because I'm supposed to be monitoring you. I don't want to move you because you probably can't see back there, right? And then she's
Like sit down right here.
me? I'm gonna get in trouble because then I'm not walking around seeing what y'all are doing. Michael, I wonder if I just moved your tool. I wonder if I just scoot her over a tad bit so Michael can see a little bit.
Oh, this should go over that way.
Like just a little bit. If you move over like this, I can see Michael. Place guy, you. Come on, you move over a little bit. You can move over just a little bit. Stay where you're at. You're in the- Page 73. That might be better for you to see, Michael. If not, then the only thing is you're gonna have to move back here. Can you see from back here? That was right there next to it. We'll try this. I got it because I'm still standing in front of them. So, page 73. I don't want to move you all the way back there. 73. Y'all get to do. Y'all have an unfair advantage compared to them at home. You get a place by your chart. You don't have to make one. Yes, we're making a place by chart here. If I were you, I would keep it all week long. So you don't have to make more than one. You don't have to make more than one. You're right here on page 73. We're making a place by chart. And it better be set up just like mine, or it does you no good. And don't lose it or you're gonna
Blurry.
what? I'm gonna have to do this from behind my desk because oh, I put this in Canvas and I can email you again. If you have a printer, you can print it out. If not, you're making one in your journal. Place value chart. Make sure your paper set up just like mine. Jacob, is it just like mine? I don't want you writing in the middle. Do you understand? You're writing exactly what I'm writing or it does you no good. You're gonna be lost. Got it? And you're doing this. I'm putting my decimal right here. You should be putting your decimal right there.
What do we have today?
Use it. Let's go. Let me see. I'm trying to figure out how to write this without getting all scrunched up. Right. This is tenths. TH. This is hundredths. Then ones. What comes over here? Y'all at home can be helping me fill this out. Ones, and then what's next? Come on. That's one. What's next to ones? We'll play. Tens. What's next to tens?
Hundreds.
Hundreds. What's next? Thousands. What's after that?
10,000.
10,000s. What's after that?
100,000.
You are doing this. And then million, and then I think just 10 million. And then billion, or no, not 10 millions and 100 millions and billions. Come on. This will help you all week long. Thousands.
What's after 100 billions?
Billions. You make it bigger. That's hundred, thousands, and 10,000s, and thousands, and hundreds. I have a place value. Place value. I would write this and use it just like this. Jacob, where's the eraser? I gave you that paper, right? Where's the eraser? It came off or you took it off? How does it just come off? I think you took it off. It's gonna be no good off that pencil. I'm not gonna keep giving you erasers and erasers and erasers. Trust me, this will be very helpful. Good job. Any coming?
What do we do when we finish at 73?
We're not done with it, so you're gonna sit there and wait for us. You'll have it here so we can keep going. Wait, let me see if you got the date. I might just let you do this. What is this? This is skill. What's the skill? Let me see, Adrian. I mean, see your place value chart. That would help you with this one. Oh, you didn't even do the back side. Place value chart. Yours should look just like mine. Okay. Hold this next to your paper. We're going to be using it. So, the calendar shows the mass in kilograms of a male hippopotamus. What is the value of the digit in the 9, or the value of the digit 9 in this number? So, like a good student I am, and I just made a place value chart, I'm going to plug it in my place value chart. Ah! Hello, paper. Oh, my sweet Larry James. Where's my number? Sweet Larry James, just write our number in there. So I'm going to start from the very far right over here and put 9. Y'all writing this down too. 2, come on, we're plugging into our place value chart. This is going to tell us what place that 9's in. 6, 0, 7, 1. That's it, right? Come on. What place is the 9 in? The 9?
The 9 is in the 1.
The 9?
Is it?
The 9 is in the what?
1.
Decimal. The hundredths, correct? It's in the hundreds. I don't know where you are getting 9 is in the ones, it's in the thousands. I have no clue. So what? So now you said the 100 is in the 100,000. Is that, or not hundreds? Is in the hundreds? Is that pretzel sticks or is that Skittles?
It's a 2 in the 10.
It's in Skittles. So what is the value of the 9? Let's go look at our answer choices.
Listen, I'm just.
Huh?
Is the 2 in the 10?
Yes, the 2's in the 10. Good job. This focuses. I hate losing this paper because it doesn't focus. So is the value of the 9 in A says 9 tenths. Is that true? Is it in the 10th place? No. I don't even know. This one says 9 and 1,000. Is that the value of the 9? I don't even know where that, or
No.
is the value of the 9 hundredths?
No.
What's the value of the 9? Look. One place, there's 2 places. How many places behind the decimal is there? We just said it was in the hundredths.
Okay.
We just said it was in the hundredths place. Isn't that 9 the same as that 9? Aren't they in the same place? Huh? You're right. Are these 9s in the same place? If I plug in 0.09 right here, are these 2 9s in the same place as that one? Look. Are those 2 9s in the same place? These 2 9s are not in the same place. They're not right on top of each other. So then what is our answer? C. I don't know what other way to explain this, but place value. You were right the first time, yes. I know you were right. But these other ones that are just, I don't know what.
We're gonna do this one over ourselves.
No. Not yet. We'll have plenty of sleep that you can do by yourself. At home, I'm telling you, if you have a place value chart and you draw it just like I did on mine, you will be a lot more successful. Oh, here we go. So the numeral is written in expanded notation right here, which shows the numeral in standard form. So 4 times, this is spelling zeros, 4 times 10,000 is what? How many zeros are going to come over with me? Trailing zeros. You can be trailing zeros on this one. How many zeros are going to move with me? Let's go. How many zeros are going to come over with me? Pick up your head before you're standing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. So 40,000 plus 3. How many zeros are coming over with us? At home, how many zeros are trailing with us and coming over? Let's go. 3. Besides Chloe, I need to hear somebody else. Plus 5. And then how many zeros at home are moving with us?
3.
On the next
3.
one. The next one, 5 times 100. How many zeros?
1,
2.
2.
And then 4. Oh,
And then the next one is 1.
this one's tricky because it's 4 times 0.1, so it would be 0.4. Now I need to add all of these.
So 1 0.
What?
So it's 1 0 1 1.
It's 0.4. Make sure you're doing it right. Oh, let me open that waiting room. Waiting room. You need to add all of these to see what you get.
Do we like private chat to them or just?
No. I'm just looking because I put Zildjian in the waiting room because he didn't turn on his camera. So. Now I'm trying to figure out.
Okay, is he still in there?
I don't know. Natalie's gone. I wonder where she went. Some of y'all come in and out. Pick up your heads. Let's go. So 40,000. You're doing this in your place writing chart. Plus 3,000. Plus 500. Plus 0.4. We're adding all these numbers. Come on. We get 4, 0. Pick up your head. Pick up your head. Up. Move your arms too. Pick up your pencil and get to writing. 0, 5, 3, 4. Which one of those numbers is there? Let's go. I'll have a bad taste of the Monday. Oh, I don't even see a number written here. Put the book away. Stay with us. Put the book away. And go back to number 2 with us. Whether you got it right or not. Jacob, that 4 is not where I put my 4. Look at mine. Is my 4 like that? Go look up front. Go to the board with your paper and look where my 4's at. This is the most frustrating thing in the world. Look at my numbers, how they're set up. The worst part of your paper is that I'm sure you cannot understand what you're writing. It's part of it. My 4 is not in the ones place. Is my 4 in the ones place? Anybody? No, it's in the 10th place. Come fix it. And I'm sure you're not the only one putting it in the wrong place. You're going to get the wrong answer because I'm sure that answer's there. Two, look at where my 40,000 is. 40,000. This is where learning from home was ridiculous going over face value. You needed to put one more 0 over here. That's why you got 4,000 instead of 40,000. That's probably there. You better have this written down. Why are we not using this? Why? I need to know a reason why. You don't have any space on this? You don't have any space on this. How is everybody else using this and making it work? I don't need the excuse, I don't have any space. I'm not moving on until I see everybody using this paper. And if it means we're losing our break, it means we're losing a break today, and that's what's gonna happen. I wouldn't be making you use this if it wasn't helpful. Turn your cameras on at home or you're going into a breakout room or a waiting room and you're gonna miss math. At home, what answer did you get? Send me a chat.
For
What did you get? I still don't see that you moved your fours. I still see it in the one place. Up top, I don't even know what we put up top. What did you write?
this,
How did you label those up top? I don't even know. How did you label them? Where's your 100? I see a 0. I don't even know what this says up here. I don't even know what that is.
Miss Hernandez,
Yes.
people could have gotten H and J. Like, say they got H, but then they look at J and they like think it's J. See, because the way the answer is, because they look at similar, but J has another 0.
Yes. Is your forward?
Mm.
No, then move it. Because just like Mariah said, there's an extra 0 there, which is there, which you will pick.
Maybe 8.
Stand up until 9, 10.
Your voice is itchy.
You're falling asleep. What do we get as an answer? What is right here? What is our answer? I didn't see y'all submit your chat. What is our answer?
Okay. 8. 43,000.
Right here is what we got on our place value chart. 43,504.
100.
Where is that?
And see, if whenever they got that answer, they could have picked J because they look really similar.
I had somebody here in class that put
If they weren't paying attention, they could have picked J.
They could have picked J, but if they're using the place value exactly how I'm using it, they won't use J.
Yeah.
What? Not J, no. It was it. Trust me. me. You don't want to make a place value chart, but it's very helpful. Ooh, the next one. These are those hard ones. All right. In the number line shown, one digit is underlined and one digit is circled. Which statement is true about the circled digit? True or false? I don't know if y'all remember back when, but a number in the place value, when we're looking this way or we're looking this way, is always going to be either 1/10 or 10 times greater. So knowing that, you can get rid of two answer choices that don't have, that's 10 times greater or 1/10 as your answer. What can we get rid of? Before we even try to answer this.
Get rid of B.
That are not 10 times greater or 1/10 less. You should always have either 1/10 or 10 times greater in your answer choices. What does not have those in your answer choices? A, so we know that's false. What else?
C.
What?
C.
C?
B.
Are y'all even reading the answer choices? Either this is in your answer choice or 10 times greater is in your answer choice.
Yeah.
You don't see, what does C have?
1/10 of the.
Either you're going to have 1/10 or you're going to have 10 times greater. I see 1/10 to that answer choice, so that could possibly be right.
Can we go use the restroom?
Yeah. Which one doesn't have, at home, which one doesn't have 1/10 or 10 times greater in the answer choice? Somebody at home.
Okay.
We said A has 60 times, so we know that's not going to be true. What does B have? Is that going to be in your answer choice? What does B have? Somebody at home. Y'all are the ones that are struggling more than the ones in class. I can't say that enough. If anybody, Mariah can tell you how important it is to be paying attention. Right, Mariah? She was here at school and it was a lot.
I was on mute.
Chloe, what does B have? That's not going to be true. Okay, so here I'm going to use my place value chart again. Its value, so the circle digit right here is 1/10 of the underlying digit. So it's saying that 6,000, I'm going to put it in my place value chart. Is 1/10 of 60,000. So first of all, let's look at it. Is 6,000 smaller than 60,000? You gotta have money. Would you rather have 6,000 or
Is
what?
Wait, 6,000 and then 60,000 you're saying?
I don't know. It's kind of hard to see.
Well, the larger number is 66,000.
6,000. We're just looking at the sixes right here, Mariah. So it's saying that 6,000 is 1/10 of 60,000. So it's saying that 6,000 is smaller than 60,000. Is that true? Is 6,000?
Yes, it is. 6,000 is smaller.
And that would make that one true, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Exactly. You have to understand what place you're talking about, what places these are in. You want the bigger number. Yes. So that's statement says that 6,000 is 1/10 of 60,000, which is smaller. It's just a piece of it. If you multiply times 10, you would get 60,000. So our answer would be C.
Miss Miss Hernandez,
Yes.
what is the next page?
The next page on the back, 74. Flip. Flip.
Okay.
I can tell you, you will see a lot of these place value on your 6 weeks test next week. Yes, there's a 6 weeks test next week. The 6 weeks is ending for anybody that's concerned or worried about grades. Yes, the 6 weeks is next week. So if you haven't been doing well on your test, go with me. We're gonna start having a progression break at like 8:25 or something. No, a Russian break. We're having a brain break today. We don't even have recess this morning. I'm working through it. We don't have no breaks today? Not this morning, no. We don't have anyone this morning. Oh. I wasted I don't know how many minutes waiting for y'all to do a place value chart because y'all don't want to do what I'm doing. So no, I'm not gonna give you a break. No, maybe this afternoon you won't get one either. Tell me I'll get breaks all the time. You sit there and don't y'all twiddle your pencil around in the air. Take naps. You have plenty of break time. Write the number 6,405,032,163 and 200s in standard form. Remember, I told y'all when we were writing out numbers, let's write in between the commas first. How do I write 6 billion? What do I write down? What number? Let's go. What number do I write? Right there. Just don't even look at the place. Just what number is there? Written out. What number is it?
62.
Right there.
Oh, hold on. I was looking at 5. 6 billion?
Just 6. And then you put a comma. Let's go on to our next part. 405 million. What does that look like? What does 405 look like? Or 405?
405 look like?
Yeah, what numbers? Mariah, do I write?
4, 5.
4, 5? That's 400 and
No.
405?
Wow.
How do I write 405? What numbers go after the right 5?
405?
Yes, 405. And then you put a comma. Let's look at our next bracket part. 32,000. This is a tricky one. I will give you the place. You have to put a 0 in the 100,000 place. Then what do you write next? How do you write 32? What numbers are we writing down?
32?
32, yeah. And then we put a what? A comma. Let's write 163. Oops. Sorry, Michael.
163?
163. And then what do we put? Oh, wait. Nope. And
Comma.
and means there's a decimal there. And is always going to mean a decimal. So decimal. Oh, 200s. Are we in the pretzels or are we in Skittles with 200s? 200s. Are we in the pretzels or are we in the Skittles? Skittles. So we need a 0, right? We have no tenths, and then we put how many hundreds? It says right there, how many hundreds are we working with? 2. Here we go. It can be very overwhelming if you try to write that whole number out without going from comma to comma to comma. I can tell you that right now. It's very overwhelming if you're not writing this stuff. You're looking at the whole number. You have that number right? Nope. You didn't have it right. Why do you have candy in this? Oh. It's in my backpack. Put it back in your backpack. You have your snack during whatever break we have, whatever that break may be. You need an eraser? No. Why don't you take your eraser off your
I took off mine because it's starting to get like go in the middle. So I just
Then why don't you ask for an eraser? That little smudge of an eraser is not gonna help. I just don't understand you. Our out of school for so long, I think. Fix that number, because your number does not look like mine. Not you. Ay, ay, ay. I just don't know with y'all. You're out of school for so long. I think it affected everything. You have it? AJ, come on. Yeah, I better see something on that page. I can only imagine what y'all are really doing at home. Like what they're really doing at home versus what y'all are doing here. Like, because the stuff y'all are doing with here just aggravates me, and it's like little things, like an eraser. Like, I can only imagine what y'all are really doing at home. That's why, like I said, Chloe works a lot better here than she did at home. It's night and day, working from home and working from school. Even as a teacher, I can tell you, it's night and day. You're able to focus. You don't have distractions. Some of y'all are going from place to place, or like Antonio was at like a daycare. That's gotta be distracting. I don't know how he was able to do all his work. Okay, number 5. Vihan paid $3.62 for an ice cream cone. The digit 6 in this number has a value of what? Oh, I'm gonna use my place writing chart because I'm a smart 4th grader. I will erase it. I will erase it. Michael, can you see where I'm sitting down, please? This green? Okay, how do I write $3.62? What do I write? What does it look like? So what does it look like? What do I need to write on the board? 3. Or do I need in between the 3 and the 6? Decimal. So like a good 4th grader, I'm going to plug this in. I have 3 ones, right? I have 62. How many? What is the 6 in? What place? You can think of it as the food. The 10, so the pretzel sticks, and I got 2 Skittles. Wow. So what is the value of the 6? Chloe already told me it's in the 10th place. So is it $6? Is it 6 cents? 6 pennies? I can't see what the next one is. Oh no, what's the next one say? You're gonna have to move it. I'll rewrite it again. Sorry, I'll rewrite it again. What is this? Sorry. Is it $60? Oh man, that's an expensive cone. Or is it 60 cents? Like this. What place is this? Chloe already told me what place it is, Chloe. You might be able to answer this. You told me it's pretzel sticks. So each pretzel stick is worth how much money?
She paid.
Each pretzel stick is worth how much money? How many? Is it dimes or is it pennies? Dimes. So that would be how much cents in money? 6 dimes. 60 cents. So how does 60 cents look, Jacob? Is it A? 6 holes?
So 2.25 cents like a 9.
Is it 6 pennies? No. Again already? Leave me alone. I've given up on this season. It hurt my feelings. Diane, friend, consider it here for a few minutes. Okay. We said, was it 6 Skittles? No, right? Is it $60? That's an expensive cone. What? Yes, no, maybe so. I don't know. Is it $60? No. It can be.
60 pennies?
It can be.
Miss
So
Hernandez, is it 60 pennies?
it would be 60 pennies, or it would be 6 dimes, right? Which one of these shows 6 dimes? We
It
already,
could be 6 dimes.
it would be D. D shows. You got it right? Some of y'all, I think, know what you're talking about, and then you'll just surprise me. I'm not so much, like I said, worried about y'all when it comes to that. I'm more worried about the ones at home. Because I don't know what they're doing. And like I said, I've seen it on a weekly basis consecutively. Test scores are not good. Not everybody's test score at home. If you're concerned about your test scores and you think it could be you, let me know and I'll talk to you. There's some of y'all, I don't know what's going on. The first 16 show are A students, A and B students. Now, I can tell y'all now, it's definitely showing. I'm ripping that Band-Aid off. Pick up your head. Huh? I am ripping it off. I thought I was ripping it off slowly, but I don't think I am. Which statement is true? Ooh, as a good student, I would put this number in my what? What do you have that I made with y'all just now? Maybe I will make y'all.
Remember in your place guide?
Yes! Maybe I will make you one of these. At home, here, maybe I'll copy one for y'all. Would that be better? Like if I copied this, if I did this for the labeling and then gave it to y'all, would that be better? For you and you, I probably need to do that anyway. I may, for the starting tomorrow, I may make copies for y'all. Put it in your place by your chart. But if I don't see you utilizing, stick your head. If I don't see you using it, it does you no good for me to copy it. Put it in your place by your chart. Let's go. We're gonna learn. That's why this is like the biggest thing you cover in 4th grade is place value. So y'all learned it from home. I don't know what y'all are doing during the daytime and y'all, but we were learning place value. Y'all plug it in into your place value chart. The value of the digit 7 is 7 times 10. So is the 7 in the tens place? So this would be 70 here. This would be 3,000. So this is in the threes in the thousands place. The 6 is in the 10 place, and this one is in the Skittles. So 0. I'm sitting down for y'all at home because Michael can't see where I'm standing. So, what digit is in the tens place? Is it a 7? Let's look at our tens place. Is there a 7 in our tens place? What digit's in our tens place? A 6. So is that true? No, this child. I don't know. He goes to sleep early. I just don't know what it is. The digit 3. Can y'all hear me at home?
Yeah.
The digit 3 has a value of 3 or of 3,000. Is there a 3 in the thousands place? AJ,
3 in the 1,000?
what's in the thousands place? What number?
No.
What number's in the thousands place? What number? No, on my place by each chart. What number's in the thousands place? 100. What number is in the thousands place? I'm asking y'all. What number is in the thousands place on my place? What? A 5 is what I'm asking. A 5 is in the thousands place. Some of y'all, I don't know. Chloe, we need better glasses, I think. Maybe. 6 is in the tens place. Is that true? Is a 6 at home? Is a 6 in the tens place at home? This
No.
6 in the tens place. Y'all can see my place right chart, right?
Yes, the 6 in the 10th place.
So is that statement true?
Is the Yes, it's true.
So what's our answer, Mariah? You have it.
8. 8.
Yeah, 8. Good job. You might be the only one that gets a break. I literally. Is that our last one?
Yeah, it's 6.
Correction. Close your math binders for now. We're gonna put something in our math journals.
We get out our math journals?
Yes.
And let's turn on this.
Yeah.
We get out our
Yes.
math journals? Okay.
Erase the board. Right, erase the board. What? Maybe he doesn't want to. This week, I don't think we got that. Hold on, let me see if we got a slideshow.
Somebody just do it again. Put like a tiny dot. I know who it is.
How do you know who it is?
But it just like it sounds her name. And he did.
Her? This one? Natalie, is that you with an iPhone? I need your name. If not, I'm moving you to the waiting room. You'll have your math journal out?
Do we close our math binder?
You can close it for now. I don't know who that is, but I'm putting him in a waiting room. I didn't answer.
Weird. I don't think it's wrong.
She was on an iPhone earlier. I don't know who it is, so I put him. Yeah, I put him in a waiting room.
She would ask about
And it's not RJ because I know he's gonna be late today. Y'all have your math journals?
I didn't know that.
So this week we're working with improper fractions and mixed numbers. So we're gonna be putting something in our journal. I'm trying to think if I want to write that one down. I think that's what we'll do. We're gonna be mad all week long. We're gonna be even more mad. A good mad, I guess.
Math?
Mad, like I'm upset. Yes, we're gonna be mad. Y'all here in class, we're gonna be writing down one of these anchor charts together. What are you erasing? I'm trying to think if I want to do it. I guess we can do it up here. All right. So, how to make a mixed number? So we'll do part of it. Maybe we'll do both. Let's see. Move it since y'all have your journal like this. How to make a mixed number? Oh, it's crooked. Is it straight? Come on. Sideways, preferably. You're writing how to make a mixed number. I should have brought cookies. This would have been easier. I guess it would work with cookies. So a mixed number. What is a mixed number? Does anybody even know what a mixed number is? This computer what?
It's kind of like when you put the 1 and a 2 together.
No. Anybody know what a mixed number is? Nope, not like that. A mixed number is a whole number, so like 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a fraction. For example, we are going to be mad this week. I'll use some colors to jazz it up here. MAD stands for something. It stands for multiply, add, and then denominator. I want y'all putting this down. It stands for something. He's mad. He's mad. The D is mad. Yes, y'all can do that too. So M means multiply, A means add, and D means denominator. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second when we get mad. Maybe I should put this over here so y'all know. So I will write this down over here too, because then y'all are gonna be like, what does it stand for? So, oops. Multiply, add, and then denominator. You're gonna have to ask yourself, did I get mad on this problem? Did it upset me? So make sure you write down the mad down the side, the multiply, the add, and the denominator. Y'all can see this, right, Mariah? Jacob, I didn't even check to see what candy you gave me here. Butterfingers. I haven't had a Butterfingers in ages. Actually, I haven't had any of this candy in forever.
Listen on this.
Like for real, I haven't had this candy in forever. Pretty cool. Mariah, you have a question?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Would they even allow it? My aunt got a pinata for me and my cousin from San Antonio to hit, and they filled it up with candy so me and her could like hit it and stuff. And the stick, whenever she went like that, it ended up breaking. So they had to just like go like this to it. So my aunt and uncle just broke the pinata. It was sad.
Is that you with the iPhone?
That's Natalie. Yeah, that's her.
I don't know. If it just says iPhone, I want to see a name. I want to know a person. I don't want somebody that's in here is not supposed to be in here. Or I want to know who it is. If not, I'm going to kick them out for the rest of the day. That means they can't come back in. So not only do they miss that. Who was that?
I think she said yes because her thing, like a yellow thing went around her. Like,
Natalie, is that you? If not, I'm kicking whoever the iPhone is out for the rest of the day.
I think she said yes. I heard a yes.
Yeah,
like
I
that.
don't know if it was from her or if it was from somebody else. Oh, she's gone now. No, he's gonna be late. I already know he's gonna be late. Mom already. No, Mom told me he's gonna be late, so I already know he's gonna be late. Hold on. I don't know. Okay, back to what we were doing. So this is an example of a mixed number. Let me change my colors. If you have color pencils and you want to change your colors, go for it. So if you don't, then use your pencil. So here's my whole number 3 and my fraction. This makes a mixed number. We are going to get mad here in a second. A good mad. Write this down, AJ. Let's go. We're going to get a good mad. We're going to multiply, we're going to add, and then we're going to keep our denominator. This is what mad means.
The math that I did ever.
We're going to do, I think it's Natalie. I don't know. Natalie, is that you with the iPhone?
yes.
Okay, I'm just making sure that it's you and not somebody that's not supposed to be in here. Got it?
Yeah, it is me. Because I couldn't change my name for some reason.
Okay, well, next time just put it in the chat or something and let me know. So for me, when I'm doing mixed numbers to improper fractions, to me, I think it's easier going from a mixed number, what we have here. I think I should label that. Let me label that. I didn't put that on mine, but so right here, this is a mixed number, so you know. Write that down. Mixed number. That's a mixed number. It's got a whole number and it's got a fraction. It's got 2 different parts. We're about to get mad.
Mad or like?
No, we're gonna get mad, the good mad. We're gonna multiply, we're gonna add, and we're gonna keep our denominator. I just put mixed number, mixed with a number sign. Look at you, you wrote it perfectly big, just like I would like to see it. So you can always use this strategy when we are Working with fractions. What color should we use right now?
Red.
No, we just use red.
Purple.
Red because it's like matte.
Purple.
No, yellow's probably hard to see. Maybe we'll just use black.
Green.
Purple.
This blue. This blue's pretty. Let's try this blue. Okay, so look how we're gonna multiply. Let me show you where we're gonna multiply 3 times 5 first. What is 3 times 5? So 3, y'all writing this 3 times 5 is what? 15. But then, okay, so we didn't multiply, right? Y'all don't have to put the checks. Next, we need to add. So we need to add this number over here. So plus 1. What's 15 plus 1? That one's kind of hard to see. What's 15 plus 1?
16.
Equals 16. I hope you are writing this. You have to add. Let me put my add sign right here. So you're going to multiply the 3 times 5, and you're going to add only the 1 plus 1 over here. So that's going to become our new numerator. So 16, I should have made it. Equals, here's our improper fraction. So 16, and then we keep our denominator. So what's our denominator over here on this fraction? Nope, what's our denominator over here? 5. So we keep our denominator. It comes over here. I should have put 2.
What's that say?
Stays the same. It stays the same. So this, let me use a different color. I'll go back to this. No, black. This is our improper fraction. Look at this. We'll get practice with this in a second. Or improper fraction. That's where your numerator is bigger than your denominator. It makes it improper. They don't fit. They don't fit. Make sure you have this written down in your journal. I'm going to ask you, and you're going to have to use it on your test on Friday. Asking, did you get mad? That is hard to see. Back here. 3 times 5.
Wait, Mr. Hernandez, did you make this mad thing up? Or like, is it something that?
Michael? What? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. I didn't make it up. I found it online. Multiply, add, and then denominator. What does N stand for? What does N stand for? Somebody tell me. N stands for multiplication. What does A stand for? Add. What does the D stand for? Denominator. Okay. Woo. That was just mixed number to improper fractions. We haven't got improper fractions to mix numbers yet. That's the hard part. I'm trying to think. There's another one. But I think for y'all here, I'm gonna give y'all. Okay. Y'all have this written down? Everybody has it written down or not? Yeah. Here. Yes, no, maybe so.
Yes.
I'm done.
Oh.
Because he answered my question. Now we're going to go from improper fraction to mixed number. You have to do a lot today because we have double. What, Michael? Jacob, you got this down? Everybody?
I have it down.
What is it, Michael? You make a circle with what? With the pen? Is that what you do? Okay. Turn to the back side of that page that you're working on. Improper fraction. There's no nifty saying to this one that I know of. Improper fraction. fraction to mixed. Change my pen color. The mixed number. Sorry, I had to change my pen color. So improper fraction to mixed number. So let's say, what was the one we had? We'll do this. We'll do what we had earlier. 16 fifths. That's an improper fraction. That is an improper fraction. Improper means that the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Oh, they're all like bendy. It works with you. Are you ready? My favorite thing in the world to do. You're gonna have to divide. 16 divided by 5. This is the only way that I know of doing this. So 16 goes in our house, 5 goes outside. So how many times can 5 go into 16 without going over? Count by your 5s. 5. This is what we were doing the other last time. So you got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 times 5 is what? You don't have to write this part down. 5. 2 times 5 is what? 3 times 5 is what? 15. 4 times 5, 20, and then 5 times 5. Y'all don't have to write this part down. So we're not looking at this side. How many times? No, you don't have to write this. Okay. Don't even look at this part right here. I just wrote out these places so that y'all can see. Y'all don't even have to look right here. Look at these numbers right here, okay? Those numbers are underlined and over here. How many times can 5 go into 16 without going over? Let's look on this side first. What's the closest we can get to 16 without going over?
15.
15, right? So then we'd come back over here, right? And then we would circle our 3, right? Our 3 goes on top. Oh, let me change my color because this color is not a good color. 3 would go on top. We multiply. Next, we multiply 3 times 5, and it's what? Chloe, you already told me. 15. So 15. Then we subtract. 16 minus 15 is what?
1.
1. 16 minus 15.
1.
1. So we have a remainder of 1, don't we? But when we're making mixed numbers, that remainder becomes a fraction. So 1's going to come up here. I would put arrows so y'all know. 1's going to come up here, and our 5 is our denominator from over here. So our denominator stays the same again. And then we get 3 1/5. This is when it gets tricky. I'm not sure because I didn't look that far ahead on your test, but that's when it gets tricky. I'm hoping we have more mixed numbers to improper. So that would be easier, but probably not on our test. Let's see. Because I don't have cookies. I like candies.
We got Skittles and like Kit Kats. Kit Kats you can use for the
This has to be like 8 though.
Wait,
I still also have nerves and all
that's okay. You can use I don't it's what we do. Those 2 showers. It's fun.
Yeah, you need a nerve, so you need to like calm a nerve.
And I don't laugh. My whole life.
I ate it and then that's on. You know, that.
Okay, the wrong one.
Yeah, it's funny. Oh, it's a nerve, 'cause I have.
numbers.
There's no fractions on them, no, there's extra numbers. Yes, I can't wait to have. I have so many red chocolate. Let's do it.
This is harder with pressure.
Third better.
I gave everybody 2 pretzels. This is what we're gonna do.
Okay, take that.
At home, did y'all finish writing this? Okay.
I made a wooden sword.
Are y'all paying attention? We're not gonna do it with food. Maybe tomorrow I can find cookies and you do cookies. Okay. Before we start breaking them apart and making a mess, how many whole pretzels do I have here? 2. Okay. 2, right? I have 2 holes. Okay, I'm gonna break them in half the best you can, okay? It doesn't have to be exactly equal. So here's half, here's half. Okay? Y'all can break them, yeah. Break them in half. How many parts did I break my, So, I had a, whole pretzel and I cut it in half. So how many parts do I have? 2. So 2 out of 2, right? Make a whole. So 1/2 plus 1/2 makes a whole, correct? What if I take 1 away? What do I have?
1/4.
No, right here. What if I take this one away? What am I left with? No, 1. How many parts did I break my pretzel into?
2.
So if I take 1 away, what am I left with? 1 what? No, 1/2. Okay. So
Miss, I think somebody wrote on the board again. I see another one.
okay, we're not paying attention to them. Okay, so that's a whole pretzel now. I don't know. Are y'all paying attention? So, how many holes do I have again? How many holes do I have again? 2. Okay. So, what would be my mix? I guess my mixed number here. How many? Wait, hold on. How many holes do I have here? 2. Holes? How many whole pretzel sticks? Don't look at this pretzel right here. Don't look at that one. How many holes do I have here?
2.5.
Holes. Whole pretzels.
Oh, 1.
1.
1. Isn't this the only whole pretzel I have? Okay. And if I move this little guy over here, I cut my pretzels in half. What would be my fraction right here? Say I eat 1. What would be my fraction? Same. How many parts do I have here, I guess? How many? 2. 2.
Yeah.
That's my denominator.
2
Okay.
parts.
I'm hungry right now, so I'm gonna eat this one. What am I left with? What?
Do we actually eat it?
No, we're over 1/2. You will in a little bit. I guess. Go to page 159. 159 in your math binder. It would be better with cookies. 159. What?
Math binder?
Yeah. We don't want. I guess we can.
Can we eat them?
We're gonna have a break until 10 o'clock. I'm not ending the Zoom meeting. Make sure you're on page 159 right now before.
Okay, I'm on 159.
Okay, thank you.
We're having a break? To what?
159. You have a break until 10. I'm not ending the meeting, so.
What page is it?
Miss, I can leave and then come back out and eat that like.
159. Turn on your cameras. Let's go. I want to see your shining faces on this Monday.
They're lucky they even have shiny faces.
Why? What are you saying about your?
They wear masks.
Oh,
I can barely breathe in this.
You should be used to it by now. You've been in school for 5 weeks.
My message. My allergies suck.
159. I don't see you on page 159.
I'm on
One. Whoa, 159.
solutions. We're on your house.
I like fractions. Fractions are fun. You're all on 159. If you have a highlighter, you can take one out for this math today.
I have a highlighter.
Just out here.
I have some Joni highlighters.
Wait.
I know you just highlight the sun. Oh, highlight
I
everything.
have a highlighter.
Even the sun.
You're on 159. All right. We're going to cut our first fraction into halves. So, how many halves do I have here? Ray, pay attention. So 1/2, you're going to label these two, and I'm coming around to check. 1/2 and 1/2. 1/2 and 1/2. Let's go. You know, tomorrow's a shorter day.
So time is like.
Today's gonna go by fast too. I'm gonna shade in one hole. So how many parts am I gonna shade in here? So I'm gonna shade in one hole. Oh no, it has a highlighter.
Wait, what's that page again?
159. Right here. Shade in. This is my highlighter. 159. Are y'all all on page 159? You see a bunch of people that are about to be in the waiting room because only one person has their camera on. Or two.
Wow. No, 3. Oh, I mean 3. I thought the teachers come here.
Oh, just three. 3 people.
So how many did I shade in here? How many did I shade in here? How many did I shade in? Come on. Hey, y'all are not shading completely coloring in the circle. Just shade in a little bit. What? How many parts did I shade in? What's my numerator going to be?
2.
2. What's my denominator going to be? How many parts did I cut my cake into? 2. So 2
And 2.
halves is equivalent to what? A what? Did I shade in a hole? Yes, so it's equivalent to 1 hole. It's equivalent to 1 hole. Come on. Let's cut our next one into 4. 4 equal parts. I'm going to share with 4 of my friends. So 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. Come on. 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4.
You can shade in.
I'm going to shade in 4 parts. So how many are you going to shade in? 4. So shade in 4. I'm shading in 4 parts at home. I'm shading in 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. make our fraction. How many parts did I cut my candy bar into? 4. How many did Chloe eat?
4.
Yeah, 4.
So it equals 1 whole.
So it equals what?
1 whole.
1 whole. She ate a whole candy bar, which means she's probably gonna have cavities. You shouldn't have eaten the whole candy bar. Now you're gonna have cavities.
Don't be like this.
I was brushing my teeth in 5 days. My brother has cavities. That's bad.
I brush my teeth like every single day.
He has 4 cavities.
Still, you can still get cavities.
My cavities are starting to go away since I've been brushing my teeth more. Me too.
Yeah.
I got this new toothbrush over the weekend. That makes it. Wait,
Yeah.
I got a new toothbrush over the weekend. Pretty exciting news. All right, let's cut this. Where's my pen? Let's cut this one into forks again. 1, 2, 3. Remember, these are separate holes right here, okay? Don't think of them as combined. They're separate. This is one candy bar right here, and this is another candy bar over here.
How many do we feed in?
Hold on, we're gonna label 1/4, 1/4. We're getting into mixed and improper fractions. Think of these like we did last week, right? Yeah, when we were doing the fractions to decimals. These are separate candy bars. These two are separate candy bars. Maybe I should have done them in different colors. They're separate candy bars. Let's shade in. Ooh! Let's shade in 1 hole. So how many am I going to shade in here if I'm going to shade in 1 hole? If I'm going to shade in 1 hole, how many parts of this first one am I going to shade in? If I'm shading in 1 hole. How many parts? If I'm shading in a hole, how many of these am I going to shade in? 4. So I ate 1 whole candy bar. I was still hungry, so I decided to eat 3 more pieces of my next candy bar. Boy, was that a bad idea.
But it was because you.
Now I ate that little extra candy, and now my teeth hurt. I think I'm getting a cavity because I ate too much of that candy. I ate 1 whole candy bar, then I had part of another candy bar. Whew. The dentist is not going to be happy with me. The dentist is not going to be happy with me. Oh, you shoot in so many. So how many? I'm going to do, I guess we can do this. Let's do. How many parts did I break up each candy bar into? 4. That's going to be our denominator, okay? Don't, remember, these are separate candy bars. We're not thinking of this. This is 8 pieces. AJ, are you paying attention?
Yes.
We struggled last week. This isn't 8. That's not our denominator. Our denominator is how many parts did we break up each candy bar. That's our denominator. Don't get it confused because I already know some of you are going to put 8. How many parts of these, both candy bars, did I eat? My teeth hurt after eating all this candy. How much did we shade in? How many parts? Somebody at home, how many parts of the candy bars did I eat? How many did we shade in? At home.
7.
Bingo! 7 is my numerator. Whew, now we get to make an improper fraction. Or sorry, not improper fraction. A mixed number. My bad. We're gonna make a mad, yeah. So, how many whole candy bars did I eat? 1. Okay. So, just like last week, we took care of this candy bar right here. How many how much did I eat of these second candy bars? Somebody at home, how much did I eat out of these second candy bar?
3.
3 out of what?
4.
4. 3 out of 4. Man, look at that. This is like similar to what we did last week. But we're not using decimals this week. I might let y'all try the next one. Ugh. No! next one's tricky. We're gonna cut it into 10 pieces.
8 pieces?
10.
10.
I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah. We're cutting it into 10 pieces. I won't make you write all 1/10 in there. Cut it into 10 parts. Come on. Y'all don't have to write 1/10 in all of these. Just write it at least once so somewhere that you know how many parts.
Are those tens?
Yes, they're 10s. We're cutting it into 10s. We're gonna shade in. I think it's 17.
I'm just gonna put one.
You can write 1/10 once. That's fine with me. We're gonna shade in 16. 16 pieces of what can this be? Pieces of pizza. I love pizza. I ate 16 slices of pizza.
Oh my god.
They were small.
Sometimes I eat like 5.
I ate 16 slices of pizza. The doctor is not going to be happy with me eating 16 slices of pizza.
No,
Boy, my cholesterol going to be high.
I am.
Whew. It was a cheat weekend. I ate 16 slices of pizza. Okay, over the course of 2 days. It wasn't one day. More for lunch and dinner. For lunch and dinner, I ate 16 slices of pizza. They were cut small, very small. That's why I was able to consume 16 slices of pizza.
I always think big ones but not eat pizza.
Whew.
I really need a
Yeah, probably. That's kind of what I did with mine. So, what's my denominator for my improper fraction? How many how many parts did I cut my pizza into? Ugh,
Tens.
10. How many did I eat over for lunch and dinner?
Tens.
No? How many did I eat?
16.
16! She's
16.
16 slices of pizza. Woo!
It's like this. Oh
I should have said like pepperonis or
my
something.
god.
Pepperoni.
16 slices of pizza. Ooh, who wants to try to make an improper or fixed number?
Me.
Louie. What do you think it is?
6 out of 10 and then the 1 after
In the beginning, so what's my whole number? How many holes did I eat?
1
1, and then what's the fraction?
and the 6 out of 7.
Not 6 out of 7.
I said 10.
Oh, I thought you said 7. I don't know where I got. Good job. So, for me, I like doing math. So, some of y'all may want to do the mixed number first. So, like this one. So, you could do 10 times 1 is 10 plus, that would give you 16. And then you would have your denominator, 16 tenths. Eventually, I think by Wednesday or Thursday, you may be able to come up with this part and then your improper fraction. Come on. Man, I'm tired already. The next one's even harder. The next one's even harder. Ugh. Ugh. The next one we're cutting into 12s. So just maybe this way. Wait. We might do it this way. Okay. Hold on. Yes, do it this way. This way's easier. Look how I'm doing mine with 12s. I should have done the 10s like this. This way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, do your 12s like this. Look how I did my 12s. This is easier. So I'm just labeling one of these, 12. And then one over here, 112. Right, pick your head up. I did my 12s the other way. They're easier. Come on. Wakey, wakey. Eggs and bakey. The shirt is making me all minty. Ah. I am going to eat 17. What am I going to eat this time? I had a box of 24 pieces of chicken. I'm going to eat 17 of them. That's a lot of chicken. I'm a world-class eater. I'm going to eat 17 of the slices of chicken. I'm eating 17 chicken tenders. Or I'm eating 17 Chick-fil-A nuggets. I could probably do that, to be honest with you. I'm eating 17 Chick-fil-A nuggets. Come on, I'm eating 17 chicken nuggets. It was a lot. I didn't eat dinner the night before. I didn't eat breakfast, so now this is my lunch. I'm eating 17. Ray, pick your head up. 17. Okay. Sometimes I get tired. I'm so tired I don't want to eat chicken. Or I don't want to eat. This is what happens. So I'm suffering. Who wants to try the improper fraction? How many pieces did I shade in? How many chicken nuggets did I eat? Who can tell me? At home, who can tell me how many chicken nuggets I ate? At home, come on. At home, is anybody there? How many chicken nuggets did I eat?
17?
17. Thank you.
17?
17. I ate 17 chicken nuggets today. What is my denominator? How many were in each box, I guess? 12. Who wants to try the mixed number? Who wants to try to do the mixed number? Who wants to try to do the mixed number? How many holes do I have?
1.
1.
And then 5 out of 12.
And then 5 out of 12. Good job, Chloe. Adrian, I know you're not reading the book right now, are you?
Maybe.
Okay. Come on.
You were right.
I don't even have to look. Because I know.
Those are 20s?
No, they're not 20s. It's 10s, isn't it? No, you did. The 12s? Are you on the 12s?
I'm gonna try to do something.
12s. Woo! I was hungry. Today, for lunch, let's see what I'm gonna have. What should I have for lunch today? I had pizza, I had chicken nuggets. What else can I have?
Burger King.
Okay, what else can I have? Oh, okay. I have Olive Garden breadsticks that I'm gonna cut in thirds. Olive Garden breadsticks. I'm cutting them into thirds. These are our breadsticks from Olive Garden. Boy, I could probably eat 17 of these Olive Garden breadsticks. I'm cutting them into thirds because I have 3 friends that I want to share them with. I think I want to share them with.
Well, they're also good when you dip them in tomato sauce.
Pick up your head. Let's go. Pick it up.
That should be your new noise machine.
I'm gonna end up like making a hole in it because I always have to tap it. Woo! So there's no stopping my eating today. It was a rough day in math. So I'm gonna eat one whole breadstick. Woo! That fraction stuff makes me want to eat another whole breadstick. Then I decide to eat. I can eat 2/3 of the last breadstick. Woo, man. So how many parts did I eat of my breadsticks? How many did I shade in?
8.
8. So then what's my numerator? How many parts did I cut them in because I was supposed to share?
2 holes and
Nope, we're not there yet. How many parts did I cut each? I hold. How many parts did I cut each one of my breadsticks into? Because I was supposed to share, but I did poorly at that. How many parts did I cut my breadstick into? How many parts did I cut each one into?
8.
No.
Eight.
Not-
8.
How many parts did I cut them into, Mariah? Each breadstick.
Like, cause you have 3 like whole ones.
How many parts did I cut each breadstick in? There's a breadstick and I cut it into what? How many parts?
3.
How many parts did I cut them into? Yes, y'all got it right. That's the denominator. Ow. Falling apart. Those breadsticks got to me.
You really have more red stick.
No. You have the, what is it?
It's 2 holes and 2 are 3.
Yep. So, Chloe says I ate 2 whole breadsticks. Do y'all agree?
Yes.
I can't believe I only ate 2. I must have eaten lunch that day. Then how many parts of the last breadstick did I eat?
2 or 3.
2 out of 3, yeah. That's surprising. I probably saved it for home, the last third.
What?
I saved it for home, what it was. I saved it for my car ride home. I probably ate it once I got in the car. To be honest with you.
My bird.
I might let y'all try the next one by yourself. How about that? What can I eat this time?
Pizza.
No, I already ate pizza. I ate breadsticks. I ate chicken nuggets. I ate candy.
Donuts.
Donuts.
Yeah.
I like the sound of that.
I got
At Mrs. Hernandez Donut Shop, she
only
gives each person only 8 donut holes. So
8 and 12.
now, yeah, I'm stingy. I eat 4 of them every time I make a bag. I'm cutting my 8s this way because it's a little bit easier. I'm stingy. I only give my customers 8 donut holes. They don't need any more than 8.
Maybe
We'll
10
go
more.
to another Mr. Norman.
Go to a different donut shop then. Mine are probably the best in the West. So
Okay.
take.
Bye.
So I'm gonna eat 21 donut holes. I feel like I could probably eat 21 donut holes. That's not a lie.
I want those.
1, 2, 3, 4. I gotta eat 21.
They would give you, not give you.
I ate 21 donut holes. World class eater.
Ooh, I have one.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I ate 21 donut holes.
Oh my god.
Woo! My teeth are hurting after that one.
Wait, so let's keep it.
Yeah, they've got glaze on them. It's sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah.
And besides, cake's also gonna be candy.
Oh, I know what I'm going to eat next.
I know. Candy.
No. Nope.
Or donuts.
Strawberries is the same as
Let me see your fractions here. Come on, I want to see them. I want to see them. Let me see. How many donuts did I eat? How many whole bags of donut holes did I eat? Come on. Jacob, this is a hot mess. Keep going. This is like a mess. I can barely reach. Try to finish with better handwriting. How many donut holes did I eat? Do the improper first. So how many little? No. How many total did I eat? How many did you shade in? That's how many I've eaten. I can't hear you at all today.
What we having for lunch today?
Chicken fajitas.
Wait, what?
Chicken fajitas.
It's a good thing I'm eating chicken.
Up, let's go back to what we're doing. Yes. Up. Hold on. How many donuts did I eat? Right here. How many did I eat?
5.
Did I eat? The shaded part is what I ate. The shaded part is what I ate. How many did I eat? Somebody tell me, how many parts did I eat? How many did we shade in? That's your numerator. 21.
Oh, 21.
At home, how many is in each little baggie of donut holes? How many is in each little baggie of donut holes that I sell at my donut shop? Stand up again. Stand up. Stand up. No, you're not. Stand up. Stand up. You're not awake. I've been by here all morning. You're not awake. You're awake. You're like him. That's not awake. Pull your mask up and stand up now.
23.
How many is in each bag? How many parts?
21.
No, in one bag. How many parts is there?
8. Oh,
8. Yes.
8.
How many whole bags of donut holes did I eat?
2.
2. And then what's left of that bag that I guess I ate? Or what?
5, 8.
I ate 5, and then there's 8 in each bag. Whew.
I'm gonna eat popcorn next.
No, I ate donut holes. I ate.
Next one, can I get tacos?
Sure.
Wait, Taco Bell. Taco Bell. Taco Bell.
Wait, Emily, that's Taco Bell?
They can get off campus and go to Taco Bell.
No, they can't.
Well, I know like their parents can drop it off for them.
Probably not anymore.
I know my friend's mom.
Come on.
But they have to like wear a mask when they go in there for like gloves. Oh, what was the picnic this year? Probably not. Yeah.
Probably not.
They're probably not gonna shave. But your parents,
Why did they call-
probably feel like your parents.
Okay, so for lunch today, I'm having tacos. I am going to eat 14 mini tacos. They're mini. They're small. They're not whole tacos. I'm eating 14, which means I'm going to shade in how many? If I ate 14, Jacob, how many am I going to shade in? If I ate 14 tacos, how many am I going to shade in? 14. Shade it in.
Pick one.
Woo. 14 mini tacos. They're mini. Don't judge me for eating 14 mini tacos.
Saturday, now we eat all. I want to eat something for the afternoon.
14 mini tacos. Boy, howdy. So what's my numerator? What's the top of my improper fraction? How many did I eat? How many mini tacos did I eat at home? How many did I shade in? At home, how many did I shade in?
14.
At home. I swear, I hate saying at home. Somebody, we're waiting for y'all at home. How many did I shade in? I mean, it would be, yeah.
14.
14, yes, thank you. Hey, you are working. Pay attention, AJ. AJ, how many parts or how many tacos are in each box?
4.
How many tacos are in each box?
5.
5. Make sure you're getting your numerators and your denominators right. An improper fraction, the bigger number is on top. What is going to be my improper fraction? How many whole taco boxes did I eat? How many whole taco boxes did I eat?
3.
Are you not even looking at the board? You are just yelling out numbers. You're bored looking at the board. You're playing with whatever's in your hand. How many whole boxes did I eat?
2. 3. 2 holes. Oh. 2 holes. 2.
2 holes. At home, how many parts of the last taco box did I eat? Somebody tell me from home.
4.
I don't know why. Those are like the good ones I thought at home. At home, how many mini tacos did I eat from that last box? That's why I said it. Like, I can get on y'all as much as I want because it's a lot easier.
But then you can't really do anything about it.
For them, yeah. It's cause and effect what we're going over today in reading. The cause is
14. Are you asking how many tacos you ate?
in the last box. How many did I eat out of the last box? Out of just the last box. I already have my 2 holes, but what's left in the last box? What did I eat?
6.
Out of the last box? What did I eat?
4. Wait.
4 out of what?
4 out of 5.
Yes. Beans and cheese. We're going over cause and effect later with reading, and there's going to be some causes, and then there's going to be effects. The causes is not paying attention. The effects is what? You're going to what?
I've been saying 4.
I know y'all, but I don't need y'all to answer because then they're not answering, and I know what y'all can do on a Friday because I can walk around. Ooh, backside. Man, probably won't get through all of this. Some of y'all may. Y'all have this or not yet? Y'all can start. This is literally what we just did.
The back?
Yes, but it gives you pictures.
Oh, so we just have to write it down.
158.
Yes. At home, did y'all get it? So we're on the back,
160?
whatever the backside page is it 160?
Yeah.
Okay. It's for everybody then. $160 on the back. Let me see 1 and 2, and I'm gonna call some of y'all up here to do it. Adrian, 160. Michael, did you figured out all those pages that came out? Remember these pages came out of your math binder?
The next page?
Yes. Remember they had come out of your binder. I want to see 1 and 2. I'm coming around to check. Adrian, those are individual candy bars. Those are individual candy bars. Done yet? Okay, these are individual candy bars. We're not ready to go by ourselves yet. Our improper fraction. How many shaded in here? How many parts?
Oh,
How many little parts? Each individual pieces. How many shaded in here?
3.
Total.
12.
12. And then how many parts is my candy bar cut into? Just one. How many parts is one candy bar cut into?
What page is that?
160. Right? Yeah. So what's my whole number? My mixed number. This one isn't really like a mixed number. 4. Because I ate how many candy bars? 4.
Boxes. Okay, no, 4 candy bars.
Jacob, look at your paper and look at mine. Take that paper up there to the front. Can you spy a difference between your paper and mine? Don't look at my numbers, look at the pictures. Can you see a difference? Okay then, what should you probably do? Because then on Wednesday, when we go over that page, you're going to have the wrong answers like you did with the paper out of your book. And then you're going to get upset for 10 minutes.
Oh, can you check my number 2?
Yes. But did you ate, where's that fraction? That's a mixed number on that part. Okay, the next one. How many parts are shaded in? Somebody at home tell me how many parts are shaded in.
4?
I'm going to put this up here. Number of shaded. This might help. For shaded and then
10.
Number
4?
pieces. How many shaded in, AJ?
10.
10, and then how many pieces is each candy bar cut into?
3.
3. Okay. Whew. Maybe after I've done it, maybe I'll let you try number 3. How many whole parts did I eat? Or how many whole candy bars did I eat?
You ate 3.
3. Good.
3.5.
Not a half.
3.25.
How many pieces did I eat out of
3
this one?
and a piece. 3 and
1, and then what's my denominator?
Um,
How many total pieces is in that candy bar?
1,
Total pieces. 1,
2, 3.
3.
3.
Try the next one. Try the next one. Let me come around again. Come on. Michael, pay attention. Let me come around again with this next one. Maybe we just need an example. Come on, how many shaded pieces is there? What is this? There's only 30? Count these pieces again that are shaded.
I counted
We're gonna start right on this one.
No. How many pieces are shaded in here? Not 3. Little pieces. Shaded in pieces. How many is there? Total? Count all of them, Jacob. Count all of them. $37. So that is going to go on the top or the bottom? Get up here and write this down. You're going to be sitting right here in front of me. Actually, bring all your stuff. And come sit right here. I need your binder. Right here. Right here. I need you to write this down. Number shaded. Write it right here. Up top. Number shaded. Like I have it. And I better be able to read it. The bottom, number of pieces. That's how many individual pieces there is. How many is shaded? Little pieces. Let's go. Of pieces. So where does the number of shaded go on that problem? Does it go on the top or does it go on the bottom? Bottom. Top. Top. So finish writing that. No. How many, like I did with him, write down number of shaded up top. No, up here. Use this line right here. Look. Number of shaded, so, and then number of pieces. So you have the shaded piece right. Now how many little pieces did I cut my candy bar into? Not 10. Count again. Oh, my goodness. Yo, Dad. Nuh-uh. 37 is right. 37 because that's the number shaded. How many individual pieces? Why is it 10? Because I know you heard it from him. Why is it 10? You're going to tell me why it's 10. Otherwise, you're not going to know why it's 10. Look, your denominator stays the same as over here. So what should be there? Oh, they stay the same.
It's about to improve.
I know it is. How many pieces is this put into? 10. So it should be 10 down there. Much better. Okay. How many pieces? Why is it 10? No. Why is it 10? One hole is cut into 10 pieces. Thank you. How many shaded in at home? How many pieces are shaded in on this one problem? Let's go. We're trying to get done with this. How many shaded in?
Which on 3?
Yes.
3?
Yes. How many shaded in? Y'all should have had it done already. How many shaded in? Let's go. How many shaded in?
3.
No,
38?
not 38. Not 38. How many do you have on your paper? 37. And how many individual,
That's exactly what I have.
how many parts is my candy bar cut into?
Oh, 3.
Just this one candy bar. How many parts is it cut into?
About 10.
Michael, pay attention. How many whole candy bars did I eat?
11?
There's not 11. It would be an unequal thing. How many did I eat from this?
7.
Oh no, 10?
6. 7 or 11.
Can you count before you show answers? Your denominator stays the same over here, so it's going to be 10 again. How many did I eat? What's shaded? 7. Go back through those. All right, we have music. I bet you're here that all of y'all are in music. Do y'all understand? And you are participating. If I get a bad note from the music teacher, there is no recess this afternoon. Do y'all understand? At home, do y'all understand? From y'all at home.
Yes. You might not.
Music until 11:35 and then lunch. I will see y'all back at 12:25.
Hey.